Hansu. Good day everyone, and especially to our professor, Dean of our Maritime School in PIMSAT Colleges, Dagupan City, Dr. Omar C. Gonzales. I'm Anjing Tangalin, this is second year from Bravo section. In this video, I will discuss the importance of Load Line Convention preserving safety in the industry. The adoption of Load Line Convention is in April 5, 1966 and entry into force in July 21, 1968. So, what is Load Line Convention? When we say convention, it is an agreement or a set of a standard of state. It sets laws and regulation to preserve safety in the industry. So, let's go back into load lines. We have what we call load line or Simpson line. Here they read the graph, which the water level at the mark on load line on the ship hull. The ship hull is the body of ship, or it also called outer shell. It indicating the maximum permitted depth of water at the ship hull, and essentially indicating the limit of its safe operating draft. Before the ship leave in the port, they always measure its load line to ensure that it's not overloaded and complies with safety regulation. Also, they review the routes that they will pass through. By plotting the map, they will know the types of water that they will pass through. There are different types of water, like tropical fresh water, tropical water, summer, winter, and winter North Atlantic. These water have different density, so always follow the load line convention or requirements for maintaining stability and prevent potential sinking by guarantee or protect sufficient freeboard, depending on water condition they are navigating. So, freeboard, it is the distance between the water line and the deck. If a ship fails to comply with load line regulation, it can lead to significant safety risks like capsizing, hull stress, and increased vulnerability. When we say increased vulnerability, it can experience a negative impact from severe weather event like storm, heavy rain, strong wind, and extreme heat or cold, potentially resulting in cargo loss, damage to the vessel, and even loss of life. Following the Load Line Convention is not just about regulation. It is about keeping ships safe, protecting the people on board, and preserving the environment. By preventing overloading, this convention helps ship last longer, reduces the risk of accident, and ensure that the cargo is transported safely. It is also urgent or very important role in preventing pollution and protecting marine life. In the end, it's all about making sure maritime operations are as safe and responsible as possible for the crew, passenger, and the world ocean. That's all about my topic. Thank you.